Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily save as PDF your conversation with ChatGPT. Let's head over to Google Chrome. So in chatgpt.com, we can try to start a conversation. So to easily save this conversation as a PDF file, just click on this three dot icon, then just click on share, then click on print. Just click on select a printer, then save as PDF. Then click on this PDF button. You can change the file name, then click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily save your conversation with ChatGPT as a PDF file. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!